Ladies and gentlemen, honored participants, I'm pleased to be here and welcome you. My lecture today will be about the importance of remote sensing and satellite image to oceanography and fishery. My name is Ayman Salim, the Executive Director of Brilliant Remote Sensing Labs and the founder of the Remote Sensing Portal. And I'm pleased to speak to the community of oceanography and fishery for the first time. I would like to start my lecture by asking a question to all of you. The question is, what is the importance of remote sensing and satellite image to the field of oceanography and fishery? And also, is it important to establish a remote sensing lab in oceanography and fishery organizations? This is the main topic of my lecture. After answering this question, I will move to the second part, which is the solution provided by my company, Brilliant Remote Sensing Labs, in order to teach remote sensing and satellite image processing and let the oceanography and fishery organization master this field and know how to use it in their profession. So I will start by the first part, which is what is the importance of remote sensing to oceanography and fishery. Nowadays, remote sensing has become a vital element in receiving data from various satellite sensors for very large areas in a short time. Earlier methods exist, but they were time-consuming and tedious. It was difficult to see the effect of various activities since changes took place slowly. So nowadays, by using remote sensing and satellite images, we can study various activities in coastal regions in different spatial scales or spatial resolutions over different time durations. The applications of ocean color remote sensing are extensive, varied, and fundamental to understanding and monitoring the global ecosystem. We will see now some examples of using remote sensing and satellite images in the field of oceanography and fishery. These are some applications: mapping of chlorophyll concentrations, fisheries management, detection of harmful algal blooms, sea surface temperature, wave height and spectra, monitoring of ecosystem changes, mapping of coral reefs, seagrass beds, and kelp forests, mapping of shallow water bathymetry and bottom type. By applying the previous applications, we can see that remote sensing and satellite images are now became priority in ocean sites, since remote sensing offers the following: robust management tools, monitoring important coastal habitats from a landscape approach, monitoring other ecological aspects that cannot be efficiently monitored using the traditional methods. So, now we see that establishing a remote sensing lab in oceanography and fishery organization became very important to help researchers and to support research and development. I will move now to the solution provided by Brilliant Remote Sensing Labs. The solution provided by Brilliant Remote Sensing Labs to the community of oceanography and fishery can be simplified as follows. BRS-Labs can establish your remote sensing lab, can qualify your team in mastering remote sensing, and can also qualify them to become certified instructors to teach remote sensing. BRS-Labs can convert your remote sensing lab or your training center into a certified training center, which is authorized to teach our curriculum in their institute or university or organization, whatever, locally or internationally. Thank you very much.
Thank you.